Hey guys.
Sorry, pal. No one's allowed in right now.
Die! Pussy all.
He's got a gun! Give up now! I'm going to find you!
Yeah, they made it through like a show.
Look, I don't like this at all. Come on out!
Yeah. Come on, you mom.
Well, you might have been right about that trap. Ancient Garden is under lockdown. My bell tower is here.
Now tell us the police they're under contract with the Chinese government. You think the Chinese...
I won't know anything inside that
Oh.
He wasn't ready.
Ready? Oh, Sean.
Show me the
Shit! What's that?
What's that, you?
Need a better spot.
Throw that off the bone.
Yeah, throw it the wrong way.
What are you doing?
You piece of fuck.
You're pushing it constantly. That's it.
Gotta be still here.
Yeah.
Better search the area.
Where is he?
Someone's running.
Yeah,
Someone's
right. He
running.
got right, Tristan.
Yeah.
Right here.
Tristan.
Ooh, sorry.
Gotta be still here. Better search the area.
Mom's here though.
Yeah,
Your mom.
like I mean, eventually, like I said,
Your
but
mom was right there and he died.
He's on the run.
yeah.
Let me get your pussy ass here.
Yeah.
Pussy ass here on your germ basketball piece of shit.
Yeah.
I know you're here.
I know your mom's here, bro.
I heard that.
Oh.
Don't beg me.
That wrecked me.
Need a better spot.
Yeah.
You got wrecked in somebody's apartment. How fucking rude are you, mother bastards?
Yeah.
And you broke down the damn door. You're so freaking stupid. You didn't even enter the code. I know the code. I know the code, but I don't want to show it, right? Just
Yeah.
I'm hacking the door.
And then they noticed, oh, it's even better than
I need sleep.
It's contagious. Yeah. No, it's definitely helpful.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I'm going to the floor and I'm gonna kill these fuckers. Straight down and stand.
It's gonna be 20 minutes long from me holding my hands on this iPad.
And I knocked this guy out, right, Tristan?
Yeah. You pussy.
And he's all the way up on the roof, right?
Yeah.
So please see. And I'm going in the garden, and who the fuck is this? This guy's his mom.
Yeah.
That's his mom, transgender. Oh, look, see his ugly face.
Yeah.
And bell tower right there. Bell tower sucks.
Yeah.
Sucks his mom. His goddamn mama. This guy's another bell tower guy. And he sucks his, look, see, this is how bell tower looks.
He's trying.
Fuck bell tower. Bell tower, you suck your mom.
I know.
Here's another bell tower bastard.
I know.
Never mind. This one. Another bell tower bastard. Right here. See?
Yeah. Sorry.
Shit. Oh, he got a Snickers.
Oh, Snickers.
I'm gonna snipe this guy.
We saw a guy named Nicholas and we call him Dickolas.
Yeah, Dickolas.
And he's so gay. Oh my god.
Where is he?
His glasses are so gay.
Nice, I know.
You killed him.
I killed him all.
Yeah, you killed him like one shot in the head.
Yeah.
And then he fell on his own thing. That was Nicholas when he's freaking doing.
Yeah, here's Nicholas. Nicholas is on the Dickolas is on the roof. Nicholas is dead.
Yeah.
Here's Nicholas. Here's Nicholas right here. Where is he?
I think we killed him. Yeah, we didn't kill him. I
He's
think
on,
we
he's on the roof.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's right there. See, he's dead. He's a motherfucker.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Come on. I'm gonna kill one of these bastards and get in.
And if you run, you don't watch this.
Our
Little
specialist
pussies.
needs to get up here.
There's Nicholas and Nicholas.
Oh, they're not blowing up. They're gay. They had sex and then they blown up. Hey, that guy landed and he had sex.
Oh.
Give me your credits, motherfucker.
He's so gay.
Keep looking. Someone.
Let's crash. What's that? Sorry.
Oh, they're all
Let's crash.
dead.
Yeah. They're fucking dead.
This is a bell tower sniper. Which is dead.
Noob.
Never happened, Brian, dude. This is gonna be a walk here.
Yeah.
For this episode.
Sorry for the bad quality. We'll get a new one. Oh, better one one day. Thank you for doing all my fault. And my leg. Now my phone. Now you're blocking it. Now my phone again. Oh my god, it's so broken. Man.
Fuck this, okay.
Yeah. Well, it's only gonna be 12 minutes.
The fuck, I got nuke virus, mac and Cheetos. What the fuck? This is mac and Cheetos.
I get ground for mac and Cheetos. Oh.
Windmill, you fucking cunt.
Mac and Cheetos.
He's a gay motherfucker.
I know.
He's a gay.
Gay.
Gay!
Gay. Gay. Gay.
I hacked into the gay person. I hacked into this gay fucker's email.
It says he's fucking gay, he has no brain, he's such a noob.
Look at his email.
Just fuck.
What the fuck do you want, man? This guy's a piece of shit.
Get word to Pritchard Malik. The hacker who's been attacking us goes by the handle Windmill. Real name's Ari Van Bruggen. Bell Tower's been brought in to
Oh, what
arrest
the
him.
fuck? This guy's a nasty, he's a nasty
Get rid of.
motherfucker.
I know.
Either way, he found out someone was gunning for him and
This
took
guy's
off.
a nasty
We need to find him.
motherfucker right here.
There's a nightclub near where I
This
dropped you
guy's
called High.
shit, see?
It's notorious in black market circles.
That person right
If this
just
Dutchman is
did.
running,
This guy's a gay
I'll
motherfucker.
have a chat.
Fucking gay noob.
And then this guy's gay. See? Look at it, you can see his ass. He's a piece of shit. And then... Oh! I killed everybody here. Oh!
No. It's only a few
Jensen,
seconds long.
figured you might want to
It's gonna
heads
be
up before you
exactly
stroll into the Hive.
12 minutes.
The owner's name is Tong Si Hung.
Oh my
Tong being his
god,
last
that's a
name.
gay name.
Rumor is he's tied to the triads.
Oh.
China's organized crime lords. How wonderful.
China's shit.
Anyone else want a piece of this
China
pie?
sucks his mom. Oh! Let it up. Not fucking around with
I want to make it a little bit more longer.
Make it for 15 minutes. So
Okay.
that's the limit. Sadly. I killed these bitches.
Yeah.
Give me that shot. Where's the other shit? I think
Where?
there's no shit. Oh no, there he is. This guy is fucking good. He's a China, ching chong shit. I'm gonna go.
Egg rolls. Oh my god, so good. Egg rolls are good. They look like
The
those.
fuck?
Oh, your mom! Oh, your mom!
Oh.
So, yeah.
This, you gay, bro.
Fucking Mr. Gay. Oh, bummer.
You gay. What the fuck? He's sleeping. Mac and Cheeto, bitch.
Oh, Mac and Cheeto.
I-20.
This is like get wrecked, noob. 2 more minutes. Oh my god.
No, we could have for a minute longer. I'll tell you when to stop. It's not gonna be, it's only gonna be for 15 minutes.
Of course.
Or 14 minutes. It's 14 and 30 seconds.
Get right. Oh! Look at the little pussy. Okay, I'm gonna cross. Okay, no. I'll let you see.
Oh, sleep up, motherfucker.
Yeah. You sound like a girl, you
Shut
freaking.
up, bitch.
You freaking black. Oh. Hello, dogs.
Bitch. Is it an officer? Fuck you, officer.
Mr. Dog is here today. Fucking.
Oh, stop the video.
Aw, he died. Bye, guys. Subscribe for more.